Size 50 by 3. 2 cm, 20 by 1. 3. LW. Product name: flat ribbon cable. Package content: 1x flat ribbon cable. Main material: plastic. Net weight: 32 g. Color: gray, black. Connector type: 26-pin female to female IDC connector. Pitch: 2. 54 mm. Withstand voltage: 300 volts. Temperature: 105 C. 1. Features: double rows, 26-pin female to 26-pin female header with both end, compatible with 2. 54 mm spacing pin headers. 2. IDC flat ribbon cable, used for most Atmel AVRJ-TAG debuggers, in-system programmers, ISP download, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Solidly made ribbon cable. This is exactly what I needed to join 2JL Cooper Synapse MIDI routers. The plastic on the connectors is well formed and fits tightly onto male IDC terminals with 26 pins. The flexible plastic housing constructing the ribbon is flexible and tear resistant. Perfect for one-time installation, but likely will survive some pulling, tugging, and jerking.